Get Started with Library Course Reserves for Faculty is a short tutorial designed with the basics in mind. Learn how to log in, locate your courses, and add course reserve items. From the library's homepage, click Course Reserves from the Borrow and Requests menu. Then click Faculty, Put Materials on Course Reserve. To log in, use your Active Directory or AD username and password. If you don't have an AD username or password, or are having trouble logging in, contact the Reserves Help Desk via email at reserves@ucsd.edu. Once logged in, you will be taken to the main menu. The main menu will list your current and upcoming courses. You may also view previous courses by clicking Previous Courses from the menu on the left. To view a course, click on the course you wish to view. You must select a course prior to being able to add reserve items. Once your course is selected, you will be able to add reserve items by clicking the Add Reserve Items menu option on the left. Let's look at how to add an article to a course. From the Add form, select the type of item that you wish to add by clicking on the appropriate icon. Once you select an item type, in this case article, a reserve form will open up. Each item available for reserve will have a specific form. Complete this form to the best of your ability. Required information is indicated using a red asterisk. Although not all of the information is required, the more information you provide, the easier it is for reserve staff to fulfill your request. The Notes field on this form can be used to let reserve staff know pertinent information about your item. These notes are not viewable to students. However, you can add a tag to the item by using the Tags field box that is viewable for students. For example, you can add a Week 1 tag to an item to inform your students that the item is assigned in Week 1. Next, you may choose to supply the item yourself for faster processing, either by uploading a file, dropping a copy off at the library, or providing us with a stable URL. You may also choose to have reserve staff locate the item. Lastly, you have the option to restrict the availability of an item to a given time period within the quarter, and may choose that time period using the start and stop date. Once the form is complete, click Submit Item. If an upload is required, you may upload the file at this point in the process. If not, you will be taken directly to the Course Details page. After an item has been submitted, the Course Details page will provide you with a list of what items you are requesting to be reserved for the course and the reserve item status. You may view the details page of your courses to stay updated on the processing of your requested items. Moving forward, all your courses and associated items will be archived, allowing you to clone individual items or entire lists for previous courses. If you need assistance with placing items on reserves, please contact reserve staff at reserves@ucsd.edu or 858-534-1212.